Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn Mathematics. Today we will do linear equations, how we can make a linear equation and how we can find its solution by solving it. So let us start with our first question. There is a class P with number of students planning a picnic. Each student pays rupees 50 and from the total collection rupees 1800 is paid for transport. How much money is left with them to spend on other items? So here number of students is P and amount paid by each student is equal to 50 rupees. So the total amount paid is amount paid by one student and number of total students. So total students is P, so total amount is 50P. So from the total collection amount paid for transport, अब जितनी भी total collection हुई, what is the amount that was paid for transport? That is rupees 1800. So now we have to find out the amount left with them to spend on other items. So you have to subtract this 1800 from the total amount, that is 50p is the total amount, and you have to subtract here 1800. So this is the equation for this. So let's do our second question. So question is, after 24 years Rama will be 5 times as old as he is now. Find his present age. So we have to find his present age. So we will suppose, let present age of Rama is x years. After 24 years his age will be x plus 24. So according to the statement, after 24 years Rama's age will be 5 times as he is now. So x plus 24 is equal to 5 times his present age. Now we have to simplify it. So 24 is equal to, we will separate its variables, so 5x and x, this x will go to that side with negative sign. So 5x minus x is 4x. So this is 24 is equal to 4x. So divide both sides by 4. So we will get 24 divided by 4 is 6 and 4x divided by 4 is only x. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So the present age of Rama is 6 years. So question number 3 is, in a bag the number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins are worth rupees 120 in total. Find the number of 1 rupee coins. So let the number of 1 rupee coins is equal to x and 3 times of it is 3 into x. So according to the question, 2 rupee coins and 3 times the number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 120. मतलब total money is 120. So we will add 2x plus 3x is equal to 120, 5x is equal to 120. Now we will divide both sides by 5. So x by 5 and 5 will cancel out, and 120 divided by 5 is equal to 24. So the number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 24. Now let's do the question number 4. So question number 4 is, solve the equation 3t plus 2 is equal to 20 using trial and error method. We have to solve the equation. So the given equation is 3t plus 2 is equal to 20. Using trial and error method, we will put the values of t in this equation so that we can get left hand side is equal to 20. So we will start putting values of t in this equation. So first of all we will put t is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 20. So 3 plus 2 is 20. So 5. So which is not equal to 20. So it means t is equal to 1 is not a solution of this equation. So now we will put t is equal to 5. So 3 into 5 plus 2 is equal to 20 means 15 plus 2, that is 17, which is not equal to 20. So t is equal to 5 is not a solution of this equation. So now we will put t is equal to 6. So 3 into 6 plus 2, that is 18 plus 2 is 20, that are equal. So t is equal to 6 is the solution of this equation. So this is called trial and error method. So let's move to question number 5. Find the value of x in equation x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 9 using isolating variables method. So given equation is x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 9. Here we have to find the value of x. So we will remove 5 from this left hand side first of all. So 5 subtracted here, so we will add here 5 again. So x minus 5 plus 5, this will be cancelled out, so here only x is left, and on right hand side 3x minus 9 plus 5. So minus 9 plus 5, that is minus 4. So 3x minus 4, which is equal to 4. So 3x, this x will shift to the right side. It means 3x minus x is equal to 4. So 3x minus 1x is 2x. So 2x is equal to 4. Now divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel out. Here only x will be left here. So x is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. So this is the method of isolating variables. If you like my video, write in the comment section box. Do like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe.